Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys. Another great day because we received another box in the mail. This one is from Macys. This is a box that is only $15 a month. You get really some fantastic brands in here because these are available at Macys. And we also sometimes get a bag and a couple of extra things. So on my channel, what I do is I open up everything before sitting down here with you to try to remove any excess packaging. I take a picture for my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. And let's get started, okay? So when you get this box and when you sign up for it, you'll be put on a wait list. I was taken off the following month. Some girls say it takes a little longer, but if you're interested in this, you can always go on the wait list. And then if you change your mind, you can go off of it or just not sign up. Everything that comes in here comes beautifully packaged in this great pink packaging. It usually comes with a booklet, which it does here. And inside the booklet, there's usually a coupon code. And in that coupon code, sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10. It's really fantastic because Macys also has a fantastic cosmetic section, even online, that you're able to see the sales and all that stuff. So this is really, to me, a really great box. All right. So let's get started and see what they have in store for us this month. So they're saying this has a value of over $81, and they're saying it is called Bare It All. It's been an eventful year. That means you should give your skin some TLC. January is usually considered skincare month. They're saying that the products that will revitalize, rejuvenate, and make you feel like a brand new person. The first item in here is this item here. It's from this brand called Skin Gym. They're saying this is the Youth Os Glow and Go Gold Eye Recovery Patches. If you were exhausted from the busy holiday search, meet your new bestie. This is a collagen, hyaluronic acid, and a surprise appearance from retinol. They make your dream team that brightens your under eye area and restores your natural radiance. They're saying that, I guess a kit of these would be like $30, but it doesn't say how many are in the kit. And it simply says to apply the patches on a clean, dry area and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. So we got one of those duals in here. So excited to give that a whirl. That is a new brand to me. The next brand is a brand that I really enjoy, but it is an expensive brand. So when we get this in the boxes, even in sample size, it is such a treat. This is from Clarins. It is the Total Eye Lift Concentrate. It says, take it to the next level with Clarins. It's a seriously powerful concentrate that aims to visibly smooth wrinkles, minimize your dark circles, and reduce the persistence of puffiness for an instant lifting effect. The formula uses a potent platinum extract to nourish your skin and prep the eye area for makeup. The full size of this is an $89 value, and this is the guy that we got over here. That was what is inside the box. The next one is a brand I love seeing in the boxes. This is from Elemis, and everything that I've tried from this brand I have really enjoyed, and this is also another expensive brand. So when we get this, and this is a really nice size, in the bags or boxes, it is an absolute treat. This is their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. There is nothing like the feel of washing off your glam at the end of the day. Elemis makes it that much easier with a cleansing balm that melts away makeup like it never existed, while bolstering your skin with hydration with essential and mineral oils. The full size of this would be a $64 value. And this is what the balm looks like inside. And it has a really nice, fresh, very spa-like scent. So that is an absolute treat. Then in the middle of here is my card for the $5 off. So it's $5 this month. And then the next item in here is from a brand that I tell you guys all about all the time. This is Ahava. This is a brand that I enjoy so much. I've really only indulged in their body lotions and things like that and their hand creams. but now I'm starting to look at their skincare online, so I'm a little intrigued. So let's see what this one's about. This one is the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, so this is an absolute winner. If there's a chill in the air, your dry skin is sure to follow. Protect your hands from dull weather with a mineral-enriched cream that soothes chapped skin and uses aloe vera to restore your moisture. Soft hands make your daily adventures much more pleasant. The full size of this is $24, and this is a really nice size that's in here. It's over 1 ounce. And this does not go on greasy. It absorbs really nicely. The scents are always so beautiful and refreshing. I am so excited that this is in the box. All right, and then the next item in here is a perfume, and it is from Estee Lauder, and this is the Beautiful Magnolia Eau de Parfum. It is a radiance, comes in many forms while being one. Discover a love story of warm florals and inviting musk that blends with a romantic that's made just for you. It has cedar and sandalwood, and it has a woodsy depth to finish the bouquet of pure sensuality. The full size of this is $128. So this is one, I already have my perfume on today, so I will try my best to spray it on the box to see what it smells like. Oh, that is really beautiful. So as this one is the type of scent that might go on really strong and then it will dissipate a little bit, but it usually maintains its scent from the previous Estee Lauders that I've used their scents. And this one is beautiful. So this one is called Beautiful Magnolia. Really excited about that. And then the last item in here is one that I cannot believe is in this box. This is from this brand called Barbor. This is a Hydrating Plus Ampule Concentrate. It's time to boost your hydration levels to the max. This concentrated skincare formula is made especially for dry skin. It's a hyaluronic acid plant-based ingredient, providing the ultimate source of moisture for a refreshing and revitalized complexion. And this is $29.95. It says pat gently onto the clean skin and follow with a moisturizer. This I'm leaving sealed up because this is made for dry skin. I have already used this brand with another line, and I have another one that I have open up on my counter getting ready for me to use. This one is for the perfect glow. This one is called Hydra Plus, but I want to show you inside what they look like and the instructions on how to use this here. Make sure you use the full ampule. It really makes a big difference. So you shake this. Where the line is here, you're able to break it off. There's usually a component in here that you can put on that helps you break it off. And then you pour it into the palms of your hand, the entire bottle. You press it in and then press it into your skin, on your neck, and on your décolleté. This is such a treat. Trust me, if you're a combo girl and you're afraid because you think these are oils and things like that, do not be. This really, really penetrates into your skin. It doesn't leave, for me anyways, an oily texture. Like I said, I've used this brand before with these type of ampules on an overnight. This is one that I'm going to be trying that is the Perfect Glow. Like I said, this one I have not tried yet. You can see all the ampules are still in here. And then, like I said, this one I'm going to leave wrapped up. I'm going to see if one of my dry skin girls will enjoy this. If not, it's going to go in a future giveaway. So that's that item there. And this month they put a bag in here as well. So that also is going to go into the giveaway area. It looks like just a nice plastic cosmetic bag. These are usually great to take traveling, so that if you have anything like beauty blenders and things that have to be wet and you're rushing out and you've got to get onto your plane, you drop it into these type and you close it up and then you don't have to worry. Like I said, I really enjoy the Macys box. To me, it is an absolute treat. You know, it's also nice that they give that $5, you know, coupon or a $10 coupon. This month it's $5 that you can use on future purchases. Usually there's a minimum of like $40 on it. And I just want to show you the picture of what all the full sizes of these products. So that's the beautiful bottle that the perfume would be in. And everything else looks very similar, just different sizes that you can see. These are the larger versions of what we got. And that's everything that we got in our Macys January 2022 box. And this is so, so exciting to be able to have the opportunity to share this with you guys on the channel. I am newer to the Macys box, but the last 3 months that I've been getting it, to me, they have been absolute home runs. And I think this is another one that is an absolute, absolute home run. So once again, I want to always end off all my videos during this time that everybody, please continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and then we can continue to enjoy. And I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.